line 22, 7b97z54, Higgs Drude Electrons, Piezoelectric Crystals, UFO Formula, 5G Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. So we're talking about UFO space communications formula from keywords found in line 22 Wow data, the Higgs Drude Piezoelectric examples. Okay. So September 13, 2013, the previous video was very interesting. Actually, it wasn't the Wow Seti signal, but it came up in the Wow Seti signal, and then I decoded some hieroglyphs that were found on a UFO that the USA government retrieved at the UFO Roswell, Mexico crash in 1947. So it's line 22, 7b97z53, UFO Roswell 1947, I-beam, hieroglyphs, Jesse A. Marcel, Deciphering Math, 5G Wow Seti. August 20th, my thoughts. Today's October 6th. The Drude model and add some Minkowski space and Newton's second law of motion are all to be combined with this density of states. Okay, so my thoughts in formula. I hope I put the word formula up here. Yep. Okay. So you had measure amounts, filled empty states in electron holes, Higgs signals, electric fields, circuit flows, value of energy, amount of voltages, regulated to see if anything spikes, record it, and why, how it happens when you apply an electric current to a piezoelectric crystal. So I'm going to Google electric current plus piezoelectric crystals to see what comes up. Quote from Wiki: an input voltage is applied across a short length of a bar of piezo ceramic material, such as PZT, creating an alternating stress in the bar by the inverse piezoelectric effect and causing the whole bar to vibrate. August 20th. My thoughts, which I forgot to put. Adding input voltage applied across a short length of a bar of piezo ceramic material BCD, can this coat the nano micro fiber optic wires? Can this ceramic be used to coat the wires, creating an alternating stress in the bar, inverses piezoelectric effect, making the bar vibrate? We need vibration to generate power for the UFO spaceship, and use the water plus vapor invention found in line 22's Wow data formulas. Cross-reference lines 1 to 27 to create an RF frequency for a long distance ranging communications space communications signal. Okay, there are inventions that came up earlier in line 22 that show you different test results of frequencies that they were playing with. So, quote from Wiki: the vibration frequency is chosen to be the resonant frequency of the block, typically in the 100 kHz to 1 MHz range. So the keywords I'm going to Google is vibration frequency plus resonant frequency. Quotes and diagrams are from Wiki. This is a resonance transmissibility envelope, natural frequency, input frequency, disasters, resonance when, I don't know, it's got all these values, maximum curve, transmissibility, and the frequency ratio. Again, what's it look like to me? The Higgs signal. Okay? And this is the damping coefficient. So, increase of amplitude as damping increases and frequency approaches resonant frequency of a driven, damped, simple harmonic oscillator. Okay? August 20th, my thoughts. Notice the graph above, increase of amplitude from Wiki. So if you look under increase of amplitude in Wikipedia, you'll be able to look at this graph. It looks like the Higgs boson signal to me from the CERN 2012 Atlas CML results graph. In its signal height, resonance transmissibility plus driven, damped, simple harmonic oscillators. See Wow data lines 22 formulas for harmonics. And then we're going to cross-reference that. Lines 1 to 27. Okay, so quote from Wiki: a higher output voltage is then generated. across another section of the bar by the piezoelectric effect. Step-up ratios of more than 1,000 to 1 have been demonstrated. So August 20th, my thoughts. Higher output voltage, Higgs boson signals transmission generated across two superlattices, crystal smash electron holes, another section of the bar, piezoelectric effect ratios 1,001 in results. Okay, I'm going to have to change that little code there. 1,000 to 1, because if I copy that into YouTube, it doesn't like semicolons or colons. Quote, Wiki, an extra feature of this transformer is that by operating it above its resonant frequency, it can be made to appear as an inductive load, which is useful in circuits that require a controlled soft start. August 20th. So we're going to do the transformer operates above resonant frequency, appear inductive load. Google that. See what it is. Quote from Wiki, when a current flows through it, energy is stored. Its energy is stored temporarily in a magnetic field in the coil. Ah, sweet. When the current flowing through an inductor changes, the time-varying magnetic field induces a voltage in the conductor, according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, which opposes the change in current that created it. So August 20th, formula from the data continues. Current flows through energy stored in protons, electrons temporarily, magnetic field, monopole, quadrupole, magnetic structures and nodes, plus the coil. See the WOW data lines 1 to 22 formulas for coil nodes and magnets, and we're going to cross-reference this when we get to line 27. Lines 1 to 27. Okay. We're going to add a current flowing through inductor changes, time-varying magnetic field induces a voltage in conductor, Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, Google cross-reference lines 1 to 27 WOW data forms for Faraday's law. Quote from Wiki, Faraday's law of induction is a basic law of electromagnetism, predicting how a magnet field will interact with an electric circuit to produce an electromotive force, EMF. It is a fundamental operating principle of transformers, inductors, and many types of electrical motors, generators, and solenoids. The Maxwell-Faraday equation is a generalization of Faraday's law and forms one of Maxwell's equations. August 20th, my thoughts. Cross-reference Maxwell-Faraday equations in lines 1 to 22 WOW formula, data formulas. Cross-reference 1 to 27. Electromotive force found in Faraday's law of electromagnetism. Keyword of previous video's formula. Keyword electromotive. I'm sorry, I should have divided this up. I didn't realize it was 7 minutes. It's almost 8 minutes long here. Keyword electromotive. Quotes in Wiki. The electromotive force is not a force, as force is measured in newtons, but a potential or energy per unit of charge measured in volts. September 14, 2013. Keyword idea. Google atomic pulses equations in the next several videos. So we're back to that. Take rabbit trails and then come back to it, right? I apologize for the length of the videos, but there was so many formulas with it, and I just divided it up piece by piece. So thanks for watching.